Amazing. So beautiful, guys. For the first time in months, finally the market is like somehow stable and somehow predictable. So this is my latest session. Usually, I don't make over like 9 or 10 trades in a single session, but yeah, I made it. I made this loss here. I lost $300 because I made a mistake and I had to update the strategy. So for my students who already have access to my course, please go back to chapter 5. There's some updates, and for those who are interested in purchasing and taking our course, you can find the link in the description of this video, or you can go directly to binarystrategycourse.com. So binarystrategycourse.com. So as you can see, I'm trying to turn this $20 into a thousand or something. So the first rate is clearly going down. Yeah, so the first rate is going down. Like with $20, let's put everything. Let's go down. So I'm just showing to you that it's possible to start with just small capitals, but it's hard a little bit. If you don't have enough experience and you don't have a good strategy, it's hard because what you want to do is not to risk more than 1 or 2% of your full capital, and that's like 10 cents or something from my $20 capital. You don't want to risk more than 40 cents something, and that's not big amount. That's why you should invest. But before you invest, you should like develop your own trading strategy and be more comfortable with trading. So the first win, $36. You know what? I will leave $10 or something. So I guess we will see an uptrend. The market will start creating some green candles. I'm expecting that. I'm not 100% sure. Let's just take a look. Yeah, so the sessions or the previous session was clear, beautiful. Yeah, this one was risky. This one, I made a mistake. It wasn't like the market's fault. It was my fault. So yeah, all this trades were clear and right, but that one with $300 loss, it was my fault. So guys, growing a trading account with a small starting capital like requires discipline. All right, so I want you to understand that, and also requires a smart trading strategy. The first thing you need to focus on before you developing your own trading strategy, you should focus on the risk management. You must have a good risk management plan or a good risk management strategy. So never risk more than 1 or maximum 2% of your capital on a single trade. This way, you can like withstand losing trades without blowing up your account. And also, you can't use it. Actually, it's hard to use stop loss on binary options to limit potential losses, but you can just keep it in your mind, like use it in your mind. With your risk management plan, you must have a stop loss. This will like prevent emotional trading. Great. I guess we will see another. Let's just take a look at. Yeah, we will see another uptrend, but yeah, the market is stable, easy to predict. I love this type of markets. Uh, yeah, with $58, let's go up all in. Yeah, so with small wins, guys, you can go far. All right, so focus on consistency, yeah, over big wins. All right, so don't think that you must make a big win right now to grow your account. No, you are risking too much. Just focus on consistency. Like aim for small and consistent gains rather than trying to hit like home runs. Consistency compound over time. Yeah. Also, beautiful. Second, I guess this is the third win. Yeah, third win. As predicted. The market wasn't going up, but somehow again I'm predicting. As I said, the strategy is saying that I should open a long position or a call position, but the market creating red candles, and even though I'm winning. See, that's why I love this type of market. So even in this case, perhaps the market is going to create another red candle, but I'm going to win this call position. So you should choose carefully your trading markets because that's where the wins are. So aim for small consistency, avoid like over leveraging or over trading to chase profit quickly. It often leads to big losses. So avoid leverage. Of course, if you don't have a good trading strategy, but if your trading strategy is making it easier for you to trade with leverage, and yeah, you can trade with leverage, but before mastering your trading strategy and a good trading strategy, so let me put everything here. Let's go down. Yeah, I guess we will be at $300. Yeah, we'll be around $300 by the end of this trade. So avoid over trading, over leveraging, or control your position sizing. Trade only on high probability setups, like when you are 100% sure, because you don't have too much to lose. You have $20 and that's it. You lose $20, you quit, and you are liquidated. So be selective. Beautiful. Be selective and trade only when your strategies criteria are met. And like, don't trade under, for example, 90% winning rate. Like quality over quantity is crucial. You don't have to open like 10 or 20 trades in a single session. I'm doing it because I know my trading strategy. I'm comfortable, but you give it time. Just give it time. See, this one was cleared, but I guess the market will create an uptrend at this time, or at least a green candle. The market is stable. This session is stable. Made me some, oh, I don't know, something. I'm not sure about this one. See, so avoid emotional and impulsive trades, guys. Stick to a well-tested plan. I hate when I trade live. Honestly, guys, I do it for you, but I hate I make mistakes. I know that I'm going to make a mistake. Oh, when I'm trading live, I'm talking at the same time trading, so I'm not focusing on my trades. I'm making mistakes a lot. So, so that please stay there. 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 Great. Oh, fuck. I almost lost there. Now the market should go down. No, I even made a wrong, like a wrong call in this case, but I won. I was thinking that the market is going down, but now the market will go down. Now I'm sure with $500, let's go down. So I guess this will be the last trade, and perhaps you learned a thing or two. Remember, I'm not teaching you financial advices. I'm not giving you any financial advices. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. Yeah, I'm not telling you that you will make the same amount of money because it's risky. You could lose your money. So please remember, this is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. I'm not telling you in any ways that you will uh, be millionaires or yeah, make millions. So please be careful, educate yourself, invest in education, in courses, buy books, read articles, watch free tutorials on YouTube. And yeah, with time you'll be more comfortable with trading, and you will be more familiar with different trends and reversals and chart patterns and stuff like that. So give it time. Don't trade with real money unless you are 100% sure about your outcomes and you are 100% sure that you are going to win every trade you take. So keep that in mind. Don't risk money you can't afford. Trade on demo account. And I guess, yes. Thank God. Yeah, so yes, that's it. I don't think that I should open another trade. That's it, guys. All right.